How to send photos on Talkie AI. The first things first is of course access your Talkie AI account and make sure that you are logged into either your Facebook or your Google account or any account associated with your Talkie app. And from here, there are two options on sending photos. First things first is you will be able to, or you can actually send a photo from the Talkie AI chat generated app. And from here, just simply tap on the message box right here and then just tap this gallery icon right here, and you'll be able to send photos. Now, the other thing that you can do is just heading directly to your profile menu, which is going to be the lower right portion of your screen, and just tap on plus sign add to profile. From here, just choose on the camera icon and choose any photos you want, and then just directly tap on done. So that's it. Those are the two things that you can go ahead and send photos on Talkie AI.